it's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Setup for a Comeback. Now, when you think big and start working on your goals and dreams, many people will think you are out of your league or even out of your mind. They might laugh at you, but don't worry. Keep in mind that people have laughed at others who went on to do great things. They laughed at Thomas Edison, called him crazy when he talked about his dream of creating a bulb of light that was not a candle. They laughed at Alexander Graham Bell and called him crazy when he talked about a machine you could talk through to other people in other places. They laughed at the Wright brothers and called them crazy when they said they would create a flying machine. Don't let the laughter stop you from making history. Those who laugh last often laughed best. So I'm encouraging you, don't let the folks with the laughter stop you. Keep going after your goals and dreams. Hey, this is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com. Winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. And then share this video with everybody you know. And remember to make the most of every minute because your best is yet to come.